She's just getting.
I'm recording. Oops.
$20 the whole week.
You guys.
Are you guys allowed to hit like in the face?
Yeah, in the mouth.
Yeah, she's got a mask.
You guys over here changing.
Oh, I don't want to get that on camera.
Like I had my sister on the first day, she looked at me and said, I might hit, and there was paint like dripping all down her face.
Cheez-Its are gone.
Why are the Cheez-Its gone?
I don't know.
I'm thirsty. Do you guys just play like?
I'm recording.
I'm gonna run
No. Yeah.
Hey, no, in Spanish. No.
What? No, it's
Don't post
Spanish.
that on the internet. It's very inappropriate. I'm just kidding. That's
Dang.
fine, Becca.
Oh, mine is this.
Oh,
The
wow.
camp. This is fat camp. So
It's not fat camp. It was fat camp like.
look at this. Fat camp.
Wait, no, this is fat camp.
No, this is fat camp.
Oh, look at my stomach
None of
move.
y'all belong here. Why are you here?
Oh my.
You don't belong here.
Hey,
Look at her
look at my
paintball
toes.
room.
Megan,
My
look
toes
at that.
fat.
Megan,
I want to see it.
That's like
Hey,
death.
Megan.
That's a big
Hey,
paintball.
Megan.
What?
Yes.
That is enormous.
What's
In Spanish. Sí. In
What's
French.
no in Spanish?
Oui.
We.
No in Spanish is
No.
no.
Oh, I didn't know that.
No.
Until earlier when y'all told me.
No.
Okay.
In
Let me zoom in on your eye.
People here at fat camp are
Heather,
skinny.
I'm recording,
So we can get fat off the.
so you don't have to pose.
Yeah.
This is actually called carb camp. Carb camp.
It's me.
That's what they like to feed you. All the white food. I love white food.
What do you mean?
Carb and calorie camp. Oh, I thought you said carbs.